Okay guys, so this is Adam with my YouTube channel, and this is a project I did for really cheap, again using recycled products. So this is flooring from Lumber Liquidators that was in the clearance section. It was just kind of some leftover stuff somebody didn't use, so I got it for really cheap. And then we had a craft table. I don't know if you can see, this is a foldable craft table, and right there you can tell it's just cheap kind of plywood underneath, and we used the glue gun that we used to make the ottoman. If you watched that video, that was super popular, and we just glued the flooring on top there. So then I got the two monitors on sale at Office Depot. I got the two little risers for the monitors. I wish I got the single monitor riser with the legs and then that connects it up. I wasn't sure that would work on this because you know, this is an inexpensive table, so it's not as stable as a bigger one, but you still get the look. I don't know if you can see real well. It's got like a nice like hardwood dark kind of handsome look. And then I also recycled this 26-inch TV I bought 10 years ago, which was kind of state-of-the-art at the time, and it has speakers built in, so those are my speakers. So for a really cheap deal, I was able to make a multi-screen workstation with a mouse, because they say you're more productive with the mouse, and I use this Logitech keyboard. It's wireless, so I can get back in bed and we can watch Hulu or Netflix or whatever that way. So anyways, I'm going to put it on my blog at techupgrade.info, so if you want to see the breakdown of the costs and everything. The craft table was from Walmart for like 20 bucks or something. It had a padded top, which I just used an X-Acto knife and we ripped it off, and then Maud from the Ottoman video used her glue gun again and put the flooring from Lumber Liquidators, which was on clearance, on top. If you go to any Lumber Liquidators, they typically have those. And then if you want a webcam for this setup, I got this Logitech. It was really highly rated on Amazon for pretty cheap. So that's it. That's my little workstation. I went ahead and hardwired the printer because it's more reliable than Wi-Fi. I don't know what the deal is with Wi-Fi printers being unpredictable, but they sure are. So anyways, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see the text breakdown so you can look at the parts and everything, I'll put it over on techupgrade.info on the blog section. Alright, bye.